I saw where Itzel Castanova on TikTok posted this video of her tacos de birria, and they are really amazing looking, so I wanted to give it a try myself. I followed her recipe pretty close. The exception was she added in 6 chiles de árbol. I couldn't find them here. Our stores didn't have them. We were kind of limited on stock, so instead I made a couple substitutions. Another difference that I had to her recipe was she was able to soak her chiles overnight and then cook the beef for, I believe, 10 hours in her crock pot. I was on a bit more of a time crunch, so I didn't have quite that much time to dedicate to it. Instead, I used our crock pot. I set it to 6 hours on high, and I was able to bring the chiles to a boil in a pot for about a minute. I shut the heat off and covered them and let them soak in that pot until the meat was ready. And then I was able to blend everything together, and it came together really nicely. I would imagine that the longer roast time would have rendered a little bit more fat from the meat, which would have been really nice. But again, I was on a little bit of a time crunch. All in all, this recipe did take quite a bit of time and some effort, but it was so worth it. Everything came out so rich in flavor and just amazing. I ended up serving ours with esquites, which is Mexican street corn, and then that bowl is the broth that was left over that we dipped our tacos in. Super good.